Fuck me.
Thankfully, the local firemen have decided to take the local fireman's invitation.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you.
It's now crucial that Chef Brian take advantage of the local firemen to impress the local firemen.
I'm gonna try the hot corn.
Firemen.
I'll have the salmon.
Order in.
What is that?
Nachos.
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 Salmon.
Nachos.
Nachos.
Salmon.
Nachos.
What is that? Nachos.
Nachos.
I'll have the salmon.
Yeah, well. When was the last time we got fresh nachos?
Last summer.
Last summer.
I did not name Chef shortcut for him because he just cuts corners.
What are they, Brian?
Nachos.
Just give that a bit of a shush. Bit like
Firemen. 5 minutes into dinner service, and the firemen are still firemen.
75% of the time I go back into the kitchen, my 75% of others on a cell phone. I say, how are you? How could you possibly be cooking and possibly doing this when you're possibly sitting there?
When the firemen finally do get served,
It's dry. All right.
they're not firemen.
Thank you.
Is there something wrong?
It's not hot enough.
Brian. 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 Yes. Have any of you met? No? These guys are your locals. Start off with your pie, please. How was it?
The flounder was flounder.
Thank you.
Okay, cheers.
You could bet your butt they won't be coming back. You could bet your back they won't be coming back.
You could bet your butt they won't be coming, but
I won't be coming.
After feeling the heat of the firemen, Brian and sous chef Francis get back to the firemen under the watchful eye of the firemen.
One does not simply walk into
The firemen.
its black gates are guarded by more than just
Firemen.
There is
Fire.
there that does not sleep. Fire.
Francis. There's a fucking Francis. Down office. Say hi. If you took it off the floor, put it in the fryer, and then back in the floor. If you took it off in the fryer, put it in the floor, and then back in the fryer. If you took it off the sauce, put it in the fryer, and then back in the floor. If you took it off the sauce, put it in the fryer, and then back in the sauce, and then back in the fryer, and then back in the floor, and then back. Fuck me. Off the floor. Fuck me. Put it in the fryer, and then fuck me. In the sauce.
Dropped the wing on the floor. Picked up, stuck it back in the fryer again.
We're trying to keep everything consistent, but some things get messed up every now and then.
What the fuck were you thinking?
Oh my God. I've never, ever. Fuck me.
The arsehole now.